an honor to warmly welcome Sri Conrad K. Sangmaji, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya and National President of NPP Party, who is also the chief guest of today's conclave. Sri James Sangmaji, Honorable Cabinet Minister of Meghalaya and also the guest of honor of today's conclave. Sri Pradyut Manikya Dev Barmanji, Maharaja of Tripura and also the chairman of Tipra. Sri Kaushik Dekaji, Deputy Editor, India Today, Ms. Sangeeta Bora Pisaroti ji, National Affairs Editor, The Wire, Dr. Andrew Ahoto, President NPP Nagaland, Ms. Pratisha Mukhimji, Editor Ceylon Time, Sri Lurin Jyoti Gogoi ji, former General Secretary, All Assam Student Union and the President of Assam Jatiya Parishad, Sri Toko Teki ji, President Arunachal Christian Forum, Sri Pai Dave ji, Adilio Indigenous Faith Movement, Sri Jakum Gamlin ji, Convener NPP Arunachal Pradesh, and all the moderators of the panel discussion of today's conclave.
With what has been my own personal experience, coming into the Northeast or coming back to the Northeast, and this time as a journalist. I'm based out of Assam. I'm based out of Guwahati, as most, national bureaus and all are. Considering I'm an independent journalist, I consider myself a bureau myself in many ways. I think as soon as I landed in Assam, and I just have to state this from the very beginning, Assam was not a place that I'm familiar with for the longest time. I mean, for us, we saw Assam as a gateway.
When you speak out with confidence, अगर मैं confidently बात करता हूँ तो बहुत लोगों को uncomfortable feel करता है, उनको बहुत uncomfortable लगता है. They feel uncomfortable with the fact that an indigenous person can speak out for his own people. They feel uncomfortable for the fact that someone who is raising uncomfortable questions. Uncomfortable questions doesn't mean that they are not nationalistic questions. They have a problem with that. But let me tell you one thing. Regional political parties in the Northeast will always have a bit of activism within themselves. We cannot become a political party from UP, Bihar or Madhya Pradesh. हमारा सोच अलग है. Our outlook is different. Our thinking is different. And there is no harm in this country being different from another part of India. आज मैं अरुणाचल आता हूँ, मुझे एक चीज़ हमेशा अजीब लगता है. बहुत लोग अरुणाचल से बोलते हैं कि मैं हिंदी बोलता हूँ, मैं भी इंडियन हूँ. Excuse me, if you speak Galo, Adi, Nishi, if you speak Khasi, Jaitiya, Garo, Tripuri, Kokborok, Assamese, you're still Indian. There is no one language which makes you Indian in this country. And I find that highly amusing. I find this highly amusing. मैं पहले बार मोपिन में आया था अरुणाचल में, तो मेरे संग मैं उस समय कांग्रेस पार्टी में था. एक समय मैं भी नेशनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टी में था. और मेरे सामने एक कांग्रेस का जनरल सेक्रेटरी था और उनको मिथुन दिया जा रहा था खाने के लिए. अरुणाचल में तो मिथुन ही मिलता है. तो उसने कहा कि प्रद्युत ये मैं नहीं खाऊंगा, मुझे इंडियन फूड दो. तो मैंने कहा कि आप हमेशा बोलते हैं कि हम इंडियंस हैं, ये मिथुन क्या इंडियन फूड नहीं है क्या? तो अगर ये लोग बोलते हैं कि आप लोग क्यों बोलते हैं कि ओ यू हैव कम फ्रॉम इंडिया, और ये माइंडसेट सिर्फ एक तरफा रास्ता नहीं है. ये एक तरफा रास्ता नहीं है. और हम लोग भी रिएक्ट करते हैं, हम लोग भी पीसमिल रिएक्ट करते हैं. नीडो को कुछ हुआ तो हमने रिएक्ट किया, उसके बाद हम भूल गए. तब कोई यूट्यूबर आता है पंजाब से, अनशन बात करता है नीनो गिरिंग साहब के बारे, हम गुस्सा होते हैं, हम भूल जाते हैं. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? प्रॉब्लम है कि हम बहुत कोशिश कर रहे हैं. वी आर ट्राइंग टू हार्ड टू बी समबडी वी आर नॉट. why I have come for this conference today in NPPs. Conrad Sangma speaks good Hindi. He studied in America. But inherently, if you meet him, he's a Garo. He's a Northeasterner. He's a proud Northeasterner. He's not trying too hard to be somebody he is not. So we can learn about every culture, but please do not forget your identity. Identity is extremely important. आज आपको कोई इज्जत नहीं करेगा अगर आप मोहम्मद रफ़ी जैसे दिल्ली में गाना गाएंगे, लेकिन आपको सब इज्जत करेंगे अगर आप प्राउड गालो आदि मिशिमी आपतानी आप जो भी है हमारे जो भी ट्राइब्स हैं वो लेकर अगर आप दिल्ली जाएंगे और आप अपने कल्चर के बारे में बात करेंगे तो उसमें आपको ज़्यादा इज्जत मिलेगा. इज्जत किसी को कॉपी करने से नहीं मिलता है. इज्जत किसी को कॉपी करने से नहीं मिलता है. इज्जत तब मिलता है जब आप अपने ही कल्चर को सभ्यता को इज्जत करते हो. इट इज़ वेरी ईजी अबाउट इट्स वेरी क्लियर. सो टुडे व्हेन आई गो टू दिल्ली I don't speak necessarily for what Delhi wants me to speak. I go to Delhi and I speak about what my people from Tripura, the Tiprasa people, want me to speak to them. Because a conversation cannot be a one-way street. At our historical roots, we've always done trade from this part. We've always had cultural links. So let's have a different policy for Northeast. When you talk about CAA and NRC, this CAA was only brought in to win the BJP West Bengal. जीता? बीजेपी जीता वेस्ट बंगाल? हाँ? तो अब रिवर्स कर दो. आप तो नहीं जीते, अब रिवर्स कर दो. ठीक है. Anyway, laws haven't been framed. You have anyway exempted Manipur. You have anyway exempted Arunachal. You have exempted Nagaland. You have exempted Mizoram, Sikkim. तो त्रिपुरा, मेघालय और असम को भी exempt कर दो. That's what we're trying to say. We are not trying to fight somebody else's war. This is, we don't want to be anybody else. We don't want to get into the fight between BJP and Congress. We don't want to be into a fight between Mamata Banerjee and BJP. We are from the Northeast. We have our own agenda. We want solution for our people. And that should be addressed. That's what I'm trying to say.
If you look at the history of, say, I'll take, say, Mizoram, okay? Mizoram, the first political thing started with a regional party. I forgot the name of the party now. But very soon, it became a Congress party. You know, it was this made a national party. So all the time, I completely agree with Pradyot what is saying, that you have to keep proving that you are an Indian, you are a nationalist. Why should I prove? Only because my eyes are smaller than yours? Only because I don't speak the language that you speak? So these are things that have, always made me think a lot more and come up with some of the challenges that we've been facing for the regional parties to thrive. And so being a border region, being the periphery is a very important factor I see for most regional parties to be not able to do well. CAA sentiments and your party philosophy is Jatyata Padi, if I'm not wrong, that translates to Assamese nationalist. So one would have thought that coming with so much sentiments and even riding on Assamese nationalism, your party would have struck a chord with the people, right? But you being in electoral politics, you're forayed into that. आपने देखा किस तरह से results आया, तो इसके ऊपर we would like to hear from you.
Assam and the people of entire Northeast, they are going to lose their culture and civilization. In Assam, we have fight for that. We have a historical Assam movement. We have lost 855 matriarchs, and after that movement, we have an Assam Accord. But when the central government, they have imposed the Citizen Amendment Act. The act was totally communally motivated act, and they are trying to polarize the whole population of India in the name of religion, and imposing this bill in entire India. But for Northeast and Assam, see, we have already take the load of illegal foreign up to 71.
जो आज जो डिस्कस किया जा रहा है, इसके लिए मैं सबसे पहले हमारे मुचू जी, जो कि अरुणाचल प्रदेश के हमारे एनपीपी के प्रेसिडेंट हैं, श्री जारपुंग जी और श्री पंगा बागे जी और अनेक जो हमारे लीडर्स हैं, उन सबको मैं दिल से धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि ये जो डिस्कशन आज चल रहा है ये एक कभी नहीं हुआ है। वैसे जैसे हमें जो होस्ट है इस प्रोग्राम के, उन्होंने बताया, कभी नहीं किया गया और ये पहली बार हो रहा है कि एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ने ऐसा एक डिस्कोर्स, ऐसा एक प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया है। लोग ये शायद सोच रहे होंगे कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ने क्यों ऑर्गेनाइज किया ऐसा एक इंटेलेक्चुअल डिस्कोर्स या एक इस तरह का एक प्रोग्राम। लेकिन मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टी क्यों उनको नहीं करना चाहिए। ये ऐसा प्रोग्राम जो है मेरे ख्याल से बहुत पहले से ही होना चाहिए था, लेकिन अफसोस कभी किसी ने इसके बारे में सोचा नहीं। लेकिन आज ये पहली बार शुरू हुआ है और मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि आगे जाके भी बहुत सारे जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ हैं, लीडर्स हैं, इस कॉन्क्लेव से इंस्पायर होके आगे जाके वो भी ऐसे अलग अलग प्रोग्राम्स ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे। और सच में ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स के द्वारा आज मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि लोगों में एक इन्क्विजिटिवनेस, एक जिज्ञासा जागृत होगी, जिससे लोग